Alright, the walk from the apartment there to the beach. Go this way through our little gate here that nobody ever shuts, and that way is the way to the national park, the entrance. This way to the beach. This is our little bridge here. Crosses our little creek that comes from the national park, and we're told that there's an alligator that lives, or crocodile that lives in there somewhere, that likes to eat dogs, so, but we've never seen him. You can see the light ahead of us already. And over here is a hotel, and over here is some apartments. Crossing our little road here. And you're at the beach. This is it. Got a little restaurant there. Never been to it. Looks too expensive. But you're at the beach. Trying not to get the dude in the thong on the camera, but to the left, that's the entrance to the national park over there. Walk around this tent here. Yeah, there you go. There's your entrance to the national park. Your beach here. That goes all the way down that way. That's it.